We're group 15, and today we tackled about lysergic acid diethylamide.
Or LSD. It is a powerful hallucinogenic that is not fatal in itself. It is usually taken orally with symptomatic effect within 5 to 10 minutes and psychological effects within 30 to 60 minutes depending on those taken.
So, kasagaran mo gamit nila is kanang mga tao bitaw nga kanang naay problema or kanang something else nga gusto nila takasan ilang reality nga kuan kinabuhi. So, kinahanglan sila magamit og LSD kay kung gamit kag LSD is makakuan kag mag-hallucinate ka. For example, gusto ka matug Mars. So, mogamit kag LSD para gusto nimo makakot imong gusto atuon nga para mawala lang ka sa reality nga kuan kanang imong problema nga gyatubang karon.
Mga pansamantalang kalikoy.
Oo.
Cannabis. It is a tobacco-like greenish or brownish material made of the dry flowering top and leaves of the cannabis hemp plant. It is usually smoked or taken orally as brownies and can make users feel pleasurable, relaxed, or euphoric.
So kaning cannabis is kuan siya kanang cannabis or kanang marijuana. So sa unang panahon, dili pa na siya marijuana tawag ana niya, cannabis pa na siya. Ginagamit din nila kanang isagol sa ihipnon or kanang ilang ikuan tabako kay nindot siya kanang kuan bitaw kanang resulta is either kanang pampagana daon or ang uban kay pamparelax sa ilang kuan sa ilang mind. Dayon na siya kanang kuan ba kanang side effect bitaw pero
Depressants. CNS depressants is also called downers are drugs that show slow brain function in a progressive manner and most often used in a treatment of anxiety and sleep disorders.
kasagaran ay depressant kanang gamiton siya kanang mga depressed na tao or kanang may mga kanang may dagko na ka problema nga murag sakluban na sila sa kalibutan niya gusto na sila mamatay kanang mawadanan kanang pag-asa nga kuan ba mga tao din mugamit sila dinana para makatulog or magandaan ilang kuan ilang problema. Ayun.
Among the most common CNS depressants are the following. One is barbiturates, used for treats, seizure, anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders. Particularly dangerous drugs when taken in overdose and cause physical and psychological dependence.
So kaning barbiturates is na bilong siya dili sa kuan, bilong siya sa depressant nga kuan na po siya katama siya kanang mga kuan.
Benzodiazepines describe the treat anxiety, sleep disorders, and panic attacks. Improve work syndrome improves the major complication of fits and psychosis.
So ano siya benzodiazepines. Kuan na siya pare-pareha na siya ang barbiturates nilang barbiturates kay dili siya makakos sa respiratory. Kani siya kung gamit ka ani niya it's either magsuka-suka ka or maglain ni niya depende sa imong amount niya ginagamit. Kaya
Ketamine used as a anesthetic agent that can be taken intrathecally, orally, or by injection. Users can experience a cocaine-like rush with psychological dissociation.
so kaning anesthetic is kuan siya kanang pare anang liquid na siya ba nga ginagamit para liquid siya nga i-inject para ang kuan nga wala imong kuan ba kanang sakit sa lawas. Ayun.
Alcohol or sa Latinol na ethanol is a colorless, flammable, volatile liquid that is soluble in water and has a characteristic taste and odor. Alcohol intoxicated persons are also often involved sa fatal trauma triggered by their behavior or to accidents often involve alcohol vulnerability either caused by drunk driver or drunk pedestrians. Gamma hydroxystearate or GHB is anesthetic with primarily sedative properties. It has been used for bodybuilding drug and transmit to conditions such as insomnia, clinical depression, narcolepsy, and alcoholism. Opioids are addictive and potentially deadly drugs in which analgesic, painkiller, effects of decrease and perception of pain, and reaction to pain as well as increase the pain tolerance. Post-mortem forensic toxicology. In suspected drug acquisition in which the pathologist collects and prepares specimens for toxicology analysis subsequent to the autopsy. In toxicological analysis, it is also required to determine if assertion of self-defense against drug-induced behavior and plausible. Una,